Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you an amazing, miraculous, practical and a real life incident that was possible because of law of attraction. There was a guy who really needed an iPad for his work. He had a plan in his mind and to execute it, he needed an iPad. But there was a problem. He was broke and his budget was not more than $55. He started to use law of attraction for this purpose. He started visualizing of his iPad and he could see himself working on it. Few weeks passed by and nothing happened. But that guy kept visualizing of what he needed. One fine day he got a notification on his phone that someone on earth, of course near his location, is willing to sell a new like iPad Air for literally $55. He went to buy immediately and came home back with a new like iPad Air, its charger, its cable, its bill, box, Apple stickers, and a cover that itself costed more than $60. Now, how on earth was this even possible? It became possible because of his thoughts. He manifested it and turned it into reality. He kept believing what he needed to and got what he wanted. Oh, wait, but I know what you guys are thinking. How do you know about it? I know because the guy I'm talking about is me. And the drawings that you're seeing right now on your screen are drawn on that iPad. Believe it or not, but always remember this thing that things are always created twice. First in your mind, and then, and only then, in reality. Thanks for hearing me out. I'll be seeing you around. Peace.